The
Verse
Hanover
of the
Q
day says,
estate.
"He has
One of
made
my
everything
property of my
beautiful in
family's
its
in
time."
Hanover, Jamaica did by Hurricane Melissa
Ecclesiastes
due to
3:11.
God.
There is a divine rhythm to your life, one that doesn't rush, doesn't panic, and doesn't miss a beat. Ecclesiastes 3:11 reminds us that God is the master of timing. Even when life feels delayed, disordered, or disappointing, God is still working behind the scenes, weaving purpose into every moment. You may not see the beauty yet, but it's growing. The seeds you've planted in tears will one day bloom with joy. The doors that closed were never meant to define you. They were God's way of protecting the masterpiece He's still shaping. Trust the process. What feels unfinished now is being made complete. What looks like a pause is just preparation. He is not late. He is not silent. He is perfect, and He is making everything beautiful, including you, in its time. Hold on. Beauty is coming. Your story is unfolding, and God's timing is never wrong. If this reminded you to trust God's timing, type Amen in the comments, and share this to encourage someone waiting on their breakthrough.
Sure. Yo, a nice view still. Angulos. Angulos. Yeah, teacher. Angulos smash up.